Hey guys, my name's Warren Cargill. I'm an acupuncturist and clinic director here at Acupuncture Atlanta. Today I'd like to share with you some information about a product by the name of Capsol-T and Capsol-TSR. It either comes as two separate products or you can buy as a kit. This particular product has received a lot of attention around cancer. And if you Google it, you'll see that there's a lot of articles about that. Some of them kind of questionable articles. But what I thought would be helpful here is to really explain the molecular mechanics of how this particular product is working and why there seems to be a lot of interest in it. The product is basically composed of two ingredients, both of them food-grade ingredients. One of them is green tea, and the other one is capsicum, a mild green pepper, right? And I think it's the green tea to capsicum is about a ratio of 10 to 1. And the green tea amount is, equivalent to drinking about, per capsule is equivalent to drinking about 16 cups of green tea. Okay? So that's what the ingredients are. The mechanism of action, though, is kind of fascinating, and I really enjoy, talking about this. But so specifically, this is affecting what is called a enox proteins. And enox proteins are like little, if you can imagine your cell, a cell structure. And cell structures, it's really important for them to maintain homeostasis, maintain a tight control of the interior environment. And in that context, they're making waste products, things have to be exported out of the environment, and things have to be imported into the environment, oxygen, materials, glucose, those kind of things. So the issue is enox proteins are right on the cell surface, and they're like little doorways. They're called cell membrane transporters. And they're fascinating. They're like little molecular machines, and they're kind of like little ratchets that open and close. And then they open and export waste products. And when they're open, there's another key on the outside of the environment that allows new incoming materials to come in. Right. So, and that's how that's how the individual cell maintains this tight control in the environment. Now, specifically, the enox proteins are specific to cell growth and cell division. Okay, so that's the basic concept here of what's happening. Now, when cells start proliferating or when cells become cancerous, that mechanism, that little door ratcheting mechanism, gets all messed up. And one of the hallmarks of cancer is the rapid cell growth and cell division. And so there's this huge demand for energy that's going on within the cell, and consequently, there's a lot of waste material being exported. And so what the research has shown is that specific to these enox proteins, specific to the cancer cells, this food grade mixture of capsicum and green tea is able to shut the door and keep it shut, right? So what do you think the effect of that is? Well, as you might suspect, so the cell can't export its waste products, and so this process of growth and this process of cell division gets stopped, and the cell can't grow, and then it goes into apoptosis, which is cell death. Now, so that sounds great for a cancer cell, but the problem is, and this is where you have to keep all this in perspective, cancer is a tenacious, multifaceted, disease, and in the context of killing a cancer cell, it's rapidly growing and it's rapidly expanding. And so that's where the issue comes in, and that's where you have to be extremely careful about, considering this product. If you are considering it, really want to strongly, urge you to, bring your oncologist into this discussion of what you're thinking about and let them help you with this decision process. Don't do it on your own. It's certainly not a standalone product to consider. Okay? So I hope that kind of clears up what some of the molecular mechanisms are involved here. So dosing for this product, the green tea is excreted from the body really rapidly. So the dosing is like 1 capsule every 4 hours. They have the TSR product. The Capsol-TSR stands for Capsol-T. SR is slow release. And you would do that in the evening while you're sleeping to keep kind of a steady supply of the Capsol-T in your body. Okay, so if you have questions, give us a call, chat in, or email us. Thanks so much for listening.